Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Audio-Technica AT-LP120XBT-USB turntable and you need to do a hard factory reset on the Bluetooth on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this turntable is like not connecting to your speakers or whatever other device you're trying to send it to. It's not pairing with the Bluetooth on them. Or keeps disconnecting, any issues like that. The second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to get a fresh start, have it forget everything that it was paired with in the past so that you can just go ahead and set it up anew. We can go ahead and just do this factory reset really easily. First thing we want to do is just make sure that it's not paired to anything. Everything that it could be paired with is turned off. And then bring something that we want to pair it to within 3 feet of it so that when we're ready to pair it, it will work fine. And so what we want to do is with the turntable being on and but not in pairing mode, so the indicator light on the turntable should be solid red. We're just going to press and hold this Bluetooth button here for 2 to 3 seconds until the light starts to flash red and blue rapidly back and forth, indicating that it's in pairing mode. Once that happens, we're just going to briefly release and then press again and hold. And then just going to keep holding until the light blinks red twice slowly. You get 2 kind of red pulsing blinks, indicating that the reset is complete, and then turntable will then turn off. Once that happens, you can release the button, and then we will come back and press and hold again because it's basically reset now. Now we just need to press and hold again for 2 to 3 seconds, put it back in pairing mode, and go ahead and pair it normally as a new device.